Number 7 is to build your brand and community presence. I talked a little bit about this already, but what you wanna do is, especially if you are working in an area that your target market is people that live within a certain geographic mileage of you, you really wanna figure out ways that you can get people to know who you are. I think about realtors as an example of this. So I live in a community in a suburb of Phoenix, Arizona, and we have a realtor who has started a Facebook group for our community. Okay. And she's done a really good job. And it's not just to talk about this house is for sale and that house is for sale. That's not what it is. It's about all of the different stuff that's going on in the community. If people have questions about what's going on in the community, if people have questions about moving to the area or their parents are moving to the area, things like that, they can come to that Facebook community, ask those types of questions. And then when somebody says, hey, I need a realtor, the majority of people in that Facebook group are going to recommend that woman because she's the admin of the Facebook group. She's organized it. There's other realtors in there too that other people may want to work with. But that's just one example of how to build your community presence. That's more online. But it locally, you want to make sure that you're getting out and talking to people, get out and talk to businesses. If you're doing, I'm going to use wedding photography as another example, go out to the bridal shops, the tuxedo stores, all the different wedding venues that are out there. Start forming partnerships with them because they're going to recommend you if they know you, they like you, they trust you. They're going to recommend you then to their client. What you really want to do here is start building those relationships with people so that you can become well known. And then people just they like you. They like what you're doing. They like what you're about, and they're gonna recommend you.